Intermittent fasting, has taken the world by storm in recent years as a weight loss method. From celebrities endorsing it to countless success stories flooding social media, the buzz surrounding this eating pattern is undeniable. But does it actually work for weight loss, or is it just another diet fad? In this video, we'll dive into the science behind intermittent fasting, explore its potential benefits and challenges, and help you determine if it's the right approach for your health journey. But first, let's understand what intermittent fasting really is and why it has gained such popularity. 1. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not a diet but rather an eating pattern that alternates between fasting and eating periods. Common methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calorie intake for the remaining 2. Essentially, intermittent fasting focuses more on when you eat rather than what you eat. 2. How does intermittent fasting work for weight loss? During fasting periods, your body undergoes several changes. As the body burns through available glucose for energy, it switches to burning fat stores, which is why many people see weight loss results. Additionally, fasting triggers an increase in human growth hormone, HGH, and a reduction in insulin levels, both of which aid in fat loss and muscle preservation. This hormonal shift helps your body more effectively use stored fat for energy. 3. The benefits of intermittent fasting beyond weight loss. While weight loss is one of the most well-known benefits of intermittent fasting, it's not the only one. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting may help improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. It may also have neuroprotective effects, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by promoting cellular repair and enhancing brain function. 4. Potential risks and side effects of intermittent fasting. Although intermittent fasting is generally considered safe for most people, it's not for everyone. Some individuals may experience negative side effects, including fatigue, headaches, irritability, and difficulty concentrating, especially in the beginning stages of fasting. It's also important to note that intermittent fasting can trigger disordered eating habits for some people, particularly those with a history of eating disorders. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional before starting. 5. How intermittent fasting affects metabolism. One of the key reasons intermittent fasting works for weight loss is its impact on metabolism. Fasting allows the body to become more efficient at burning fat, especially when insulin levels drop. Interestingly, intermittent fasting also helps increase metabolic rate in the short term, meaning you can burn more calories even while resting. This combination of fat burning and increased metabolism can accelerate weight loss for many individuals. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable tips on living a healthier, more balanced life. 6. Is intermittent fasting sustainable for long-term use? For many people, intermittent fasting is an easy and sustainable way to control their weight without having to track every meal or count calories. However, the long-term sustainability of intermittent fasting can vary from person to person. Some find it easy to maintain the pattern for months or years, while others struggle with the strict time restrictions. The key to long-term success is finding an eating pattern that works for your lifestyle and makes you feel energized and healthy. 7. The science behind intermittent fasting and fat loss. Intermittent fasting's effectiveness for fat loss is rooted in science. During fasting, your body depletes its glycogen stores and turns to fat cells for energy. This process, known as ketosis, leads to the burning of fat, which can result in significant weight loss over time. Furthermore, intermittent fasting helps improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can process carbohydrates more effectively, reducing fat storage. 8. Intermittent fasting and muscle preservation. One of the main concerns people have when it comes to weight loss is the loss of muscle mass. Fortunately, intermittent fasting has been shown to help preserve lean muscle mass while promoting fat loss. This is due to the body's increased production of human growth hormone, HGH, during fasting, which helps stimulate muscle repair and growth while encouraging the breakdown of fat. By combining fasting with strength training, you can maximize fat loss while maintaining muscle mass. 9. Who should consider intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting can be beneficial for individuals who are looking for an efficient and sustainable weight loss strategy, especially those who struggle with constant snacking or overeating. It is particularly useful for those looking to control calorie intake without having to track every meal. However, it may not be suitable for individuals with certain medical conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, or eating disorders, or for pregnant and breastfeeding women. Always check with a healthcare provider before starting any new diet regimen. 10. The final verdict on intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can be a highly effective tool for weight loss and improving overall health. Its simplicity and flexibility make it an appealing option for many, but like any approach to weight management, it requires consistency and commitment. If you decide to give intermittent fasting a try, remember to listen to your body, ensure you're eating nutritious foods during eating windows, and stay hydrated. Ultimately, intermittent fasting can work for weight loss, but it's important to find what works best for you and your unique needs. Now that we've explored the truth about intermittent fasting, it's clear that it can offer impressive results for weight loss and overall health. However, it's essential to approach it thoughtfully and ensure it aligns with your lifestyle and health goals. Whether you decide to try intermittent fasting or not, the key to long-term success is maintaining a balanced approach to nutrition and exercise. Remember, your health journey is personal, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content on health and fitness. Let us know in the comments if you've tried intermittent fasting and how it worked for you. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.